This video is about subnet. So in this subnet topic, I'm going to discuss about some topics, some major topics. They are nothing but IPv4 addressing and the concept of subnets, how a subnet comes, and how to assign an IP address to a host, and classification of IP addresses, and calculation of subnets and hosts. What is a subnet? A subnet is nothing but when you divide a large network into smaller networks, it is called as subnetting. These smaller networks are called as subnets. IP addressing system is a 32-bit addressing system. Each path is 8 bits length. So it is displayed as a dot bit in this form. It is placed, and each one is 8 bits. Start from 0.0.0 to 255.255.255.255. So this total range is divided into 5 classes. The first class is class A. The next is class B. Next is class C, class D, and class E. So this IPv4 addressing system is total length of the IP address is 32 bits, and each part is 8 bits. So it is divided into 4 parts. This is part A, part B, part C, part D. And the IP addresses are classified. The total range of IP addresses, that is from 0.0.0.002, is divided into 4 classes. This classification is done on the first 8 bits. That is part 1 or A. The part 1, the first 8 bits, from the depending upon the number of the first part, that is from 1 to 126, it is class A, and from 128 it is class A, from 128 to 191 it's class B, from 192 to 223 it is class C, from 224 to 239 it is class D, from 240 to 254 it is class E. Now this classification is based on the first part. Class A address range is from 1.0.0.0 to 126.255.255.255. Class B address range is from 128.0.0.0 to 191.255.255.255. Class C address range is from 192.0.0.0 to 223.255.255.255. Class D address range is from 224.0.0.0 to 239.255.255. Class 3 address range is from 240.0.0.02, 255.255.255. This is the address range, and most of the time, in general, we use only from class A to class C addresses are the generally used, whereas class D is used for multicasting and class C is generally experimental purposes. Class A has first portion as the network bit and the remaining three portions as the host bit. So we will take an example here. This is class A address. It starts from here to 126. And in this one, the first portion is the network portion. And the remaining three are the host portion. So this is called as the network bits. And this is called as the host bits. In class A address, the first portion is the network portion and the remaining three parts, that is the remaining three parts of the host portion. Again in class B address, it is from 128 to 0.0.02, range is from 191 to 255.255.255. And here the network portion is first two portions and the remaining two portions are the host bits. This is the network portion and this is the host portion for class B address, and within this range 128 to 191 range. This is the network bits, these are the host bits. And again in the class C address, the range is from 192.0.0.02 to 223.255.255.255. And here the network portion is the first three portions and the host portion is the last portion. This is the network portion, this is the host bits, this is the network bits. So in class A, the default subnet mask is 255.0.0.0. And in class B, the default subnet mask is 255.255.0.0, and in class C, the default subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. If you see here, you will recognize the subnet mark corresponds to the number of network portions in each class. So class A has only one portion as a network part, so only one portion is 255. Similarly, in class B, there are two network portions. So 255. And similarly, there are in class C, there are three network portions. So similarly, there are three 255. So this is the default subnet mask for each class. And what is a subnet mask? Subnet mask is nothing but when you combine the subnet mask and the IP address, if you combine both of them and add both of them, you will get one IP address called as the network portion. Yes, for example, let us take an IP address within the class A system. An example one. Let us take an example 10.2.2.1. This is a class A IP address. Let us take an IP address here. So in this IP address, 10 is within the first portion is, if you take this one and you have to compare it to the which portion, it lies 10 lies within the 127 range. So it is a class A address. This is class A. So in class A, only the first portion is the network portion and the remaining 3 portions are the host portions. So now the default subnet mask, when you apply the default subnet mask here, you will get the network portion of an IP address. This is an IP address of a particular system, which is class A. So now when you apply the default subnet mask here, that is 255.0.0, and you combine this with this one, that is, when you combine both of them, you will get, now you have to convert this into, this is in decimal format, now you have to convert that into binary format. So IP address 10.2.2.1 and the subnet mask is 255.0.0.0. Both should be converted to binary. So 10 is converted to, form an AND operation. So you will get 0 and 1 is 0, 1 and 1 is 1, 0 and 1 is 0, 1 and 1 is 1, remaining are all zeros. And the remaining here are all zeros. These are all. So if you convert this one, network ID is equal to 10.0.0.0. This is the network ID.